I was asked about my rail train. It's nothing fancy. It's mostly Athearn flat cars, a couple red caboose, some Tyco cars mixed in, fixed up. Then I have a bunch of either rail or wood stakes on the side. The rail itself is just strip styrene that I cut down, painted it brown, and then I took a Sharpie along the side and drew a black shadow line. Gives a good enough effect for what I need. It's a bit of a bear to lay back in. The whole load does come out as a separate piece. I have a anchor car in the middle where everything's all fastened to, and then on the ends I have a little bar to keep the ends from keeping them going astray. But she bends like a champ. Any questions? Let me know.